Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to avoid fake DeepSeek. Let's begin! Unfortunately enough, the problem of fake applications is usually found on Android phones within the Play Store itself. On the App Store from the iOS, I don't think there is that big of an issue there. However, if we go to the Play Store right now and if we search for, well, let's say DeepSeek, because it's the topic of this video, we can see that currently at the very top we have ChatGPT, which is sponsored. Now, any cautious viewer and user of any device will see that our original DeepSeek right here is right below the sponsored, because our application that we are searching for is not always right at the top. And even worse, sometimes there are fake applications that are in place of the sponsored. For example, if we scroll down a little, we will see something called DeepSeek, an AI-seek chatbot. And it's incredibly easy to accidentally download this thing, which, it has a very similar name. It does really have the word deep and seek into its title, and it has a very similar logo with both this application and both original having a shark or a whale or something very similar. So it's really important to just seek the little details. For example, if we go to our original DeepSeek application, we can now go into our DeepSeek right here. So we can go to our developer site and we will see that they have only made one application, that being DeepSeek itself. We can try to do that once again, but there are no applications to be found. And if we go into our DeepSeek AI-seek chatbot and let's check Guru AI Lab, we can see that they have a very big amount of AI applications. I'm not saying they're all bad, but original DeepSeek doesn't have that many applications, especially not walkie-talkie, push-to-talk, or whatever these applications are, to be honest. So if you're unaware, or if you're wondering, or if you just are not sure of how to differentiate these applications and how to make sure that you're downloading right DeepSeek, first of all, you can just check the name, the logo, then the developer itself. Here is the Guru AI Lab, and here is the original DeepSeek. And lastly, you can just look at the reviews. You can try to look at the amounts of download it has. It's hard to, so original DeepSeek has 10 million downloads, and the fake one has only 500,000, 500,000, which is also a great way to differentiate these applications. And you want to also check on the rating. As you can see, original DeepSeek has only 4.0 stars on the Play Store, while the fake one has 4.7. So it's not always a good indicator whether or not the applications you're looking at is legit or not. You can try to also download both of these applications, because many of fake ones have many, and I say many, harmful ads on them, or predatory monetization tactics and all of that. So we can just easily check those if we wait for a little bit longer. And both of these, this one is also installing, so we can go and find our DeepSeek, this original DeepSeek. Though unfortunately we cannot use it if we are not logged in, so we can go to sign in on Google. Let's agree. Let's choose our Google account in order to log in. We can also, we have to set dates of our birth, so I'll set something random. Let's go with start chat, And as you can see, this is how original and official DeepSeek application looks and feels. We have just our chat here. We can press this plus icon in order to upload some photo or image or document. We can also click this icon in order to show a history of our chats. And you know, this is how normal DeepSeek looks. And if we go to this AI Seek now, and we can hit continue, we have a completely different screen. So let's just go. And yeah, as you can see, we are already struck with a very big ad, which is just a subscription ad. You know, we have to pay a week or a yearly subscription in order to use the application that isn't even official. So, and I'm guessing that if we try to enable free trial, we'll have to input our credit card. Yeah, exactly. So of course we could just try to, you know, press X, and then we have something very similar. Oh yeah, we have to consent, and we have to disallow our little ads here. As you can see here, we have a very big differentiation, very big difference of things that you can available. As you can see here, we have basically the word pro can be found anywhere. In the history, we don't have unlimited access by default. We can't go and search with web. By default, we have to buy a pro. Even here is button pro for some reason. I'm not even sure why. And of course, we can check. We can change our model from DeepSeek to ChatGPT, for example. However, as you can see, most of these are also pro locked. So if you don't have pro subscription, well, sorry for you, but you cannot use this model. So yeah, it's a little unfortunate that there are this many fake DeepSeek applications. Luckily, if you're looking for DeepSeek, then it's not that hard to find official one. But if you're looking for ChatGPT, for example, then you have a lot more trouble and a lot of more garbage to just go through and find the original application. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.